Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Many were asking about the interior of the car, interior review of the diesel automatic car. Guys, this is AX5 diesel automatic, and let me show you the interior of the car. So guys, I'll start from here. So you got a fuse box here. Fuse box is there. Then you got engine start stop button, and there are a few dummy buttons here. And you got headlight leveler. And if you come top, then you got AC vents and some. This is the gun metal finishing is there, and chrome plastics are there here. Your Twitter is there, and from this model you get this like gunmetal thing sorts. And guys, if you come here, you got in folding auto folding is there, manual folding is here, and this is the control of the ORVMs. The quality is really nice, guys. And this is auto one touch up and down. I'll show you. Okay. One touch up, one touch down, and 4 power windows are there. This is locking mechanism of the mirror, and these are basic stuffs. And guys, this thing is so nice. It gives so premium touch for this car. Believe me, this is so premium. Then if you come here, you get soft touch like PU leather kind. Then in this model you get plastic, like very good quality plastic doors are there from this model, and you get twin cup holders. So near and here aram so you can keep 1 liter bottle, 2 liter bottle can be kept here, and maximum space or some space to keep here. Ergonomics are really good in this car. So this part is finished now. You get SRS airbags here. Then there is no ticket holder or nothing. There is no ticket holder here. Here you get the fast quick guide about automatic auto shift, like how to start the vehicle, how to change, how to apply gears, and in hilly situation what you should do for this thing. These are given here. If you come here, and guys, if you come here, you get a mic placement here. It's of good quality. And if you see in this console, there's a console and 2 light placement is there. This switch for this light, for me I consider this light because it's more that, what to say, a crispy feeling, and you can see my hand that this color contour is there in this light. So I like this light itself instead of white light. And switches lights here, and if you press the middle one, then when we open the door, that all the lights will get on. We have a theater dimming setup in this. You can see there's a theater dimming setup, and back also it get lighted. This switch is here, and guys, this is sunroof switch. You can see this is what, for most of us this is enough, because see, you can see very big sunroof. I think this is better in this segment itself, because I have not seen a single pin sunroof to be this big. You can go to check showroom and you can check. It's really good and big. And in this car there is a manual manual ORMs, not electronic is not there. And guys, this is auto sensor, like auto lights and also auto wiper sensor is here. If you come this side, you get this airbag instructions, and if you open this, you get a light there also. Mirror is there and light placement is there. Good work, Mahindra. Then guys, if you go to that door, same thing, brush aluminum kind door opener is there, and premium quality armrest is there with illuminating what to say, power window switch. Then if you open this, see guys, it doesn't fall like that. See, it falls in a proper way, and glove box is really deep, really deep, and you can keep some books, documents here. Here to keep some cards or something you can keep here. Coins also can be kept here. You got a placement there, and that is huge big. You can see that origami thing. You can keep 1 2 3 4 origami tissue papers can be kept there. This is that deep. We'll close this. And guys, if you come to that part now, this thing is really good. A plastic quality will make you feel really better in this car comparatively. Next one is having more crocky design, but this feels simple, supple, and it's nice. I like this design. You can see the small diamond pattern. This adds elegance for the car, and this is a finger magnet. If I just touch, our fingerprint will come. So we should be keep cleaning. And same, you get 2 cup holders there, bottle holders there. So this is how that part of the dashboard looks. Then guys, this is the infotainment system. I'll do the complete review of this infotainment system, one of the best system which you can get today. I will rate for, it's far better than Kia's, to not as better as Nexon I felt. I'll do detailed review about this in the next video. Please do ask for more videos what you need about things I will do about all this system. I'll do one of the crisp best system I can say. You got all the feature which you need, and touchwood, this system is still working good for me and no lag, nothing is there. So I will do more review about this system next. But now I'm just showing the glance of how the dashboard looks, and this is the switches, and this thing really looks premium. It looks really premium to touch. And guys, you get on off mechanism here. Like if you turn this side it's off, if you turn this side it's on, and it's present on both the sides. Then you get defogger switch here. A defogger switch is there here, and this is the passenger airbag on off switch, hazard light, and traction control switches are they were given here. And this is just off switch, and off switch is dummy. This is a steering mode switch. And if you come to lower console, yeah, you get dual AC controls here. This auto thing is here. This dual thing is there, and if you want to on the switch on the AC, you should press this. And this is the airflow thing is here. And this is modes in the sense you can see there. If you want for your feet and front, for just for leg, and this modes, you know, this is for yeah guys, you can see here. If you change the modes, this it will change here. This is really cool. Then it comes fan speed is here. This is off switch. This is dual. If you want to on the dual AC, then you should on this. And this is memory. I'll make review about the memory also in different. Memory is a really cool thing. I will explain it in detail in next video. This is different red defogger. And guys, you get here wireless charging pad, which is really useful. And this is obviously the automatic auto gear shift, automatic. Yeah, I cannot press now. Changing the gears and reverse thing is there here. If you come here, this console itself looks really nice. You can see the console itself looks really nice in this car. Then you get an armrest. Inside armrest is deep. It's pretty deep, and it's best in a segment. Then you get engine start stop switch here. This part is to control the system. You can see volume and SRS, mute, Alexa, and call on, call or cut the call. And this is beautiful Mahindra logo, and you get leather stitching. Good leather stitching is there on the steering, and the steering also looks good. Here it comes cruise control, and this part is to navigate the system. I will show you. This part is to navigate the system. You can see vehicle is in full tank now, range, all this DFP level is this much, and yeah guys, pretty informative is there. I will make another video about this system itself. This system I'll make another one review. This I'll make another review and I'll upload you guys. This system is really slick. The car has been driven for almost 4,000 kilometers now, and this is how the front cockpit of the car looks. And guys, you get all the necessary features which you want. Come, I'll go rear and I'll show you the rear of the car now. And this is auto headlight switch is here, and auto wiper switch is here. This is for rear wipers, and pretty basic functions you know about this. I'll not waste your time. Come, we'll go to rear seat now. Yeah guys, this is the rear seat of the car. In rear, impressive thing is you can see the quality and finish. This looks so in video you might think this is like basic because it looks basics, but guys, in real it looks really premium. This small brush aluminum thing really adds the elegance of this. And here you get a deep you can keep my iPhone 14 Pro Max here. Yeah, and here it comes a C-type charger, and down you get 12-volt charging socket. So if you come to door, the same, you get a brushed aluminum thing here. Then same you can see, and speakers are kept here. There is no tweeter back, and you get a decent you can aram se keep 2-liter bottle there. You can tweak in the 2-liter bottle there, and you get Isofix child mount here. Both the sides you get Isofix child mount is there. And impressive about this is you get 3 adjustable headrests in this car, guys. 1, 2 and 3 adjustable headrests are there. With that you get twin cup holders here. There's a twin cup holder here, and this is the fabric quality. It is really nice. There is no need of upgrading for leather seat or nothing, because this is really good. You can see the quality. This is really good. Yeah, something has happened here. So you get 3 adjustable proper 3 adjustable belt. You get 1, 2 and 3 belts are there. Seats are really deep and cushiony. You can see how the seats are there in the rear, and you get really good space, and sunroof view also is there from back. A light placement is there here, and guys, you get an airbag. SRS airbags are there here, and you get a hook here for coat, and then a speaker. This thing, yeah, this is how it looks. It looks really premium. Windows are really wide, and car looks like a Creta segment, because you can see the airbags here. This car doesn't look the competition for Kia or Brezza. It looks like Creta competition. That's how premium the car looks. And guys, backside normal decent boot space is there. Boot space, I'll make another video when I make a detailed video about the car. And guys, this is how the back seat looks, and this thing really looks cool. I hope this video has been quite informative for you guys. So yeah, one more thing, you get adjustable belt, seat belt. No, nobody has talked about this. Yes, we get adjustable seat belts on both the sides. When there also it's there, adjustable seat belts are there. This is how the space is there, and guys, really this car is really good. You can aramse go for this car. It's value for money, and rear seat gives you a good experience, and this comes till your neck, but still windows really good, big and good. It gives some big car vibe when you sit in this car. And shock absorber suspension system, they have done a very good job. This is how the cockpit looks from the rear. So guys, please do subscribe for more such videos, and encourage me for doing more videos as you're doing. Please do subscribe, share, and like my channel, and ask if you have any queries about the car. If you want make me to do some reviews which you want, you can put in comment section, and I will make sure to complete your wish. So guys, thank you so much. Please do subscribe and support. And this is how the car looks, a diesel automatic XUV interior. Thank you.